Hello guys, I am Advik Dwivedi and welcome back to Concept Gurukul. We are going to learn the class 12th basics. Let's get started. Clear the base, win the race. So in the last class, we had seen the types of matrices. What is a matrix, representation of a matrix, and all the types of matrices. You can see the previous video for more information. In today's video, we are going to see how to add, subtract and multiply the matrices. So let's get started. So let's see the first topic, addition. There are some specific rules how to add. Addition and subtraction both are very similar to each other, okay? In addition, both the matrices should have the same order. What do you mean by order? Like if one matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix and the other is a 3 cross 3 matrix, then these two matrices cannot be added. Okay, now let's take one example. One basic example we'll take. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 plus one more 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now how to add? First, this is also 2 cross 2 matrix. First, we'll add the first element of this matrix and this matrix. That means 1 plus 3. Then we'll add the second element of this matrix, 2 plus 4. This is a very basic matrix. Now here we'll get subtraction signs and positive, many different. We'll see different examples. Then 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Then 4 plus 6. Now when we add these all 4 matrices, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 4 plus 6 is 10. We still get a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so this is how we add matrices. Now if we take one example, say the same rule will be applied for subtraction also. Okay, let's see what is subtraction. Both the matrices should have the same order. Okay, that means this should also be 2 by 2, this should also be 2 by 2. If these two are different, cannot be subtracted, like the rule we learned in addition. Okay, now let's take one example in subtraction also. It's very easy. You just try to pause the video and try to solve this by your own. Let's say 5, 4 and 6 plus, let's say minus 8, minus 3, 4 and let's set 0. So this is not plus, this should be minus. We are learning subtraction. Now what is 5 minus minus, minus into minus plus? 8 plus 5, I'll directly write the answer. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13. My minus minus plus, plus minus minus, 7 minus 3 is 4 and it will be minus sign. It will have the minus. 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6. So therefore the required matrix is this. Clear? So addition and subtraction are very easy. Okay, I think now you understood what is subtraction also. Now let's see what is multiplication. Multiplication a bit different from addition and subtraction. Let's understand with a simple example. 3, 4. Let's take a 2 by 2 into 2 by 2. If no sign is there, that means it's multiplication, that everyone knows. 1, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic example, let's solve it. Here we have to, in a 2 by 2. Before this, we'll go level by level. Okay, first we'll do a scalar multiplication. What is a scalar multiplication? If we multiply the whole matrix with one singular matrix, with one number. Here first we'll multiply 2 with this, then with the second element, then with this, then with this. Okay, that means if we see this, let's solve it and get it. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 7 2s are 14, 2 8s are 16. This is our required matrix. I think scalar multiplication is quite easy. Let's take a 2 by 2 into 2 by 2. Okay, with this 2. Now if we have one matrix, let's take 8 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 into 0 4 18 1. How to multiply this? First we'll select one row. Okay, we'll multiply this row with this first with this column, then with this column. How? 8 zeros are 0, then first element. Now 4 into 18, 18 fours are, add this with this. When you did, we have to add this, became one element. Now the second element will start here. It means 8 fours are 32 plus 4 ones are 4. Now same thing with this second one. Minus 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 18, 18 plus 18. Now with this row, with this column, minus 2 into 4, 2 fours are 8, then minus 8 plus 1 ones are 1. Now if we solve this, we'll get 72, 36, 18 minus 7. Okay, this is our required matrix. Easy, right? Let's take one more example. Multiplication requires that the number of columns in the first matrix equals to the number of rows in the second matrix. Okay, with this rule here, see, the number of rows is equal to number of columns, right? In scalar multiplication, it's no need, because we are multiplying the same one number with all the 4 elements of that matrix. Okay, so now let's take one more example, which is different. For example, okay, 5 minus 9 2 minus 1 8 0 into minus 8 3 4 minus 7 and minus 5 2. Here you can see many minus signs are there, so it will be easy only. Here you see how many columns are there? 2 cross 3. How many columns? 1 2. 2 cross 2. 2 cross 3. How to do this? Here you see the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Number of columns is equal to this. This is equal to this. So these both are compatible for multiplying. Now 5 into minus 8. 8 5s are 40 minus 40 plus minus sign, right? Minus 9 4s are 36 minus 36. 2 5s are minus 10. Okay, this is our first element. Now we'll multiply this same row with this now. That means 5 3s are 15 minus 9 minus 7 plus 7 9s are 63. 2 2s are 4. Now once we are done with this row, we have multiplied this row with these two columns. We'll multiply this row with the same thing. Minus 1 into minus 8 plus 8. 8 4s are 32. It will be 0 only, plus. Okay, then we'll multiply this row with this. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3, then minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7. 8 to sorry, not this, my bad. 8 7s are 63. 8 7s are 56. Okay, and then 0 2s are 0. Now if you solve this, what will we get? Minus 50 minus 86, then 63 67 and 77 and then 82 32. This will become 40, and this minus 59. this will be our required matrix. Okay, I think now you understood all the types of multiplication. If you have any doubts, just comment it, put it in the comment section, and you will get the solution by the next video. Okay, I think you all understood addition, subtraction and multiplication. The next class we are going to see different types of tricky questions related to these topics only. Okay, these were just example questions. Now we'll come to the questions which are actually difficult. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye.